Music is one of the things that can make everyone happy. As a universal thing, music can be enjoyed by everyone depending on their individual tastes. There are also various types including dangdut, rock, pop, hip-hop, jazz and many more. Every day new music appears. Not only the music, every day new musicians are born. It's no wonder that now music-related platforms are so loved, such as Spotify, YouTube and Joox, which offers a different music listening experience. BeatBind aims to be the long-awaited platform for music events organization, with BBND being the cryptocurrency token used by all of its transactions. The state of the music programming industry today is very fragmented. Each person's individual network limits their reach. The internet is proving that is not what the world needs to operate on, as other industries more toward open digital solution. The music events industry is lagging far behind. Scalping and fake tickets steal value from organizers, and the industry's lack of data collection and collection makes revenue production inaccurate, which in turn puts the event at risk of becoming an endeavor, harming artists, venue and fans equally. BeatBind aims to solve their problems one by one through the development of the platform and the wider ecosystem. The main idea is to enable all participants in the event organization's ecosystem to connect and interact efficiently. The entire ecosystem which BeatBind is processing is a compelling and unique platform. It is a music auction platform or an artist auction platform where people can hire artists, organize events, and use BeatBind's BBND tokens for payments. BBND tokens provide unique features, advantages, and benefits. They enable users to purchase event tickets both for their favorite artist, purchase drinks, and another. The major advantage is that users can be a part of the BeatBind ecosystem where they can participate in the service that the BeatBind platform offers. The BBND tokens are super simple to use than conventional payment methods. The main features include non-transaction delays, instant deliveries, and cryptography security. BeatBind's IEO pre-sale on BBND tokens is in progress. A limited number of tokens are available at pre-sale prices. BeatBind uses a blend of both bleeding edge and battle-test technologies to bring superior performance and flexibility to every part of its ecosystem. BBND will be implemented as an ERC20 standard token in the Ethereum blockchain network. Similarly, other smart contracts necessary for the working of BeatBind will be implemented of Ethereum and will enjoy the full security of its blockchain. This gives the following properties to all the transactions on the BeatBind platform. Security. Every transaction on the blockchain is secured with the latest cryptographic protocols, transparently, because every transaction on the blockchain can be assessed and verified by anyone. Mutability. Transaction on the blockchain is permanent and no one party has the authority to change history. Thus, all transactions on our platform will be open, crawlable and verified. This will be accomplished via the BeatBind Transaction Explorer. This will be done based on the current blockchain Explorer, but more personalized for one's BeatBind account and much more accessible from UX point of view. BeatX will extract all necessary data when interested in reach out smart contracts on Ethereum, so that everyone can confirm that any offers or transaction of the platform is transparent and irreversible. We are confident and proud to say that BeatBind is committed to provide the best possible experience for our users with the help of BBND tokens. These tokens will play a key role in the growth of BeatBind's platform. They will provide the benefits of cryptocurrency transactions, the future of payments.